All right, 3-5, we're going to interpret and analyze the slope-intercept form of a linear equation. So you're going to fill in that chart. All right, so just to remind you what slope-intercept form is, it is y equals to m, which is the slope, the x, and then we're going to add a b, which is the y-intercept. So the m here is the slope, just the number in front, and the trailing number here is going to be the y-intercept. And these are all linear equations, so anything in this format will be a line. So the first one, is that in that format? Yes, it is. It is a line. Okay. The slope, it is the number in front, so the slope here is going to be 3. The y-intercept here is the number by itself, so that's going to be 0, 2. Please understand all y-intercepts are when the x is 0 and it is a whatever b value. So here it is 0, 2. All right, let's take a look here. What is the number in front here? It's a -1. So the slope here is -1. Is there a y-intercept? There is no y-intercept. It's technically a 0, 0. Okay. And this is still a line. It just has a negative slope. Next, y equals to 1/2 x plus 1. The 1/2 in front, it is the slope. And then the plus 1 here, it is the y-intercept, so that is 0, 1. This is also a line. The next one, x equals to 2. Ooh, do you see? This is not in y equals mx plus b. If we actually graph this, this is a vertical line, okay? The slope here, it's up and down, so it is undefined. And when it is up and down, it does not cross the y-intercept, so there is none. Okay, please understand 6 is a vertical line. Okay, it's not in y equals mx plus b. So the next one, ooh, this one, let me erase this a bit. The next one is in standard form. We have to convert it. Okay, so this is going to be plus 3x plus 3x. So this is y equals to 3x plus 3. Right, what is the slope? It is the number in front, so the slope here is 3. What is the y-intercept? That is the trailing 3 here, so it is 0, 3. No matter what, this is still going to be a line. Okay, we just have to convert number 7 from standard form into slope-intercept form. There you go.